Hello guys, welcome back here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get OpenCode the most easiest way possible in VS Code. You can see currently I'm inside VS Code, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to go for the extension now and I'm going to search here OpenCode, and this is the SST, you can see, and we got here pretty solid number of downloads, you can see, and the good rating. So we're going to go with this one, install, trust the publisher. Here you can see OpenCode for VS Code. This is official, so you don't have to worry about it. So now you can see I already installed it. Now when you will install this, you will get here a chat icon. You can see in the right top corner, you can see. So we're going to click here, and here we'll get OpenCode. You can see we're getting here OpenCode. Now the OpenCode in the root folder. Now let's say I want to open this OpenCode in a specific folder. Then how can I get this? So I want to open a folder here, let's say, and let's say the folder is will be here in the download, and I'm going to create a new folder here, let's say. So let's create the new folder, and I will say test. So the folder name is test, and I'm going to open this folder here. You can see currently I have this folder here. So I'm going to actually remove this session. Now here I'm going to go for the extension section here once again, and I have installed it, right? You can see I'll say enable workspace, and here we go. Now if we click here in the right top corner, then we'll get here OpenCode, you can see, and it's in a specific folder, you can see downloads/test. Okay guys, so this is the easiest way to get OpenCode in your VS Code without any terminal, without any installation process and all the stuffs. You just have to actually get the extension. That's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video.